Welcome to the Kepion Training Video Series. In this series, we'll outline the main features of Kepion as we walk through the steps of building a sample revenue planning application. We'll explain how to translate customer requirements from spreadsheets to an architecture document to a fully realized Kepion application. At each step, we'll provide resources to help you follow along. In addition, if you have any questions about features that aren't covered in the series, our support center is the #1 resource to learn best practices and troubleshoot issues. If your question isn't answered in the support center, you can always submit a new ticket. Here's an example of the kind of application that can be built in Kepion. For our purposes, let's scope this application down to its essential components as we learn to work in Kepion. By the time you finish this video series, however, you should have all the skills necessary to build any level of application. Let's begin by taking a closer look at the one we'll be building. This is a simplified revenue planning application. On the first page, we have a profit and loss report that summarizes our planning operation. At the top, we have a series of filters that can slice and dice our data into different contexts. I can flip from the US entity to the Canadian entity, or view all of North America at the same time. On the other 3 pages, I have a series of input forms that drive the data in the report. I can update any of the data here, and then see exactly how it affects the entire planning process. Before we can start building this in Kepion, we first need to plan out the design and architecture of the entire application. In the first session of this tutorial series, we'll do just that, by taking a look at how to translate customer requirements into an architecture document formatted for Kepion.